headphone users. The next scene will be extremely loud, so I'll recommend you to lower the volume to the minimum. Anyways, let's do this.